Welcome to Compilations with Dog Toons. Prepare your anus.
Castaway, 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 castaway. 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 Woo! This is fun. Castaway. Yeah, woo! Castaway, castaway. Come on, sit down, listen to me. Castaway. Woo! Castaway. Castaway. You're a mean one, Mr. Green. You really aren't that nice. You're as cuddly as a Kit Kat. You're as charming as my A, Mr. Green. You're a nasty little banana with a peel that's not on. You're a monster, Mr. Green. Your heart's not like mine. Your brain is a big spider. You got a garlic in your brain, Mr. Green. I wouldn't touch you with a glove on. A glove that is on, a glove that is on. Oh, a glove that is on, a glove that is on. You're a vile one, Mr. Green. You're a skinny glass tube. You have all the tender sweetness of a scientific implement, Mr. Green. Given the choice between the two of you, I'd take the latter. I'd take the ladder. I'd take the ladder. That's right. I'd take the ladder, 'cause you are disgusting. You're nasty, Mr. Green. You're the king of nasty green. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with a nasty dead tomato, Mr. Green. You're a big old loser, and I don't say that lightly. Don't say that lightly, don't say that lightly. Don't say that lightly, 'cause you are disgusting. You make me sick, Mr. Green. My tummy wants to barf. When you enter any room, I think, my God, I'm gonna hurl, Mr. Green. I would even notice you if you were in another part of the supermarket from me. It's a big market. It's stinky that bad. Big market. It's stinky that bad. A really big market that speaks to how you smell bad. You believe it. You think you're nice. You think you're doing us all a favor by stealing of our Christmas, boy. I tell you, you could never be no wronger than you are. And that's the green troll. Yeah.
It is thick in here. It is thick in here. It is thick in here. so thick. Wow, it is thick in here. But we can't see where the thin is. We've made a stellar start to find the jungle's thick. But all we'll find is thickness if we can't see where the thick is. It is so thick in here, it is so thick in here, it is so thick in here, but we can't see where the thin is. Wow, what a thick flower. It is so thick in here, it is so thick in here, it is so thick in here, but we can't see where the thin is. The path is awfully thick, and sometimes there's no path at all, and the thickness makes it hard to see around. Oh, Joe, the thick is thick, we're moving through it thin, but that won't do us any good if we're going around in thick shapes. Thick flower. It is so thick in here, it is so thick in here, it is so thick in here, going around in thick shapes. Ugh. Would it be oh, that's thick. These trees look so thick. We've been here once before. You're right, except it wasn't once. It was thick times or thick more. It is so thick in here. It is so thick in here. It is so thick in here. We've gone around in thick shapes. Some people will call that circles. Isn't that funny?
My name is Hee Hee. My name is Ha Ha.
My name is Poo 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 Poo.
My name is Hee Hee. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. My life rocks.
Does anyone else want to say their name? Okay, you okay? Thanks.
I am so pretty. I am beautiful.
My name is. My name is.
Ooh.
Now my name is.
I am beautiful.
Yeah, this is so awesome. This is so awesome.
I am beautiful. Woo! Woohoo! Yes! Life is a positive thing. Life is positive. Yes! I love my life. Yay!
Somebody once told me the world is gonna rule me. I'm a nasty, stinky monster, hee hee. I was looking really filthy, so nasty, spoiled, milky, and the shape of a barf on my forehead. Well, the stink start coming and I don't start coming. Never use soap, I use mud for scrubbing. Didn't make sense for me to clean myself. It's bad for my look and it's bad for my health. I smell like poop, I smell like pee. So what's wrong with me smelling like pee? You'll never mold if you don't grow. You'll never shine if you don't glow.
Hey now, you're an ogre. You're so nasty, you're green. Hey now, you're an ogre. You're disgusting, gross, man. All that glitters is green. Only stinky boys get their swamp bag.
It's a wet place, couldn't get any wetter. You think you're dry now, wait till you come over. But the media all say I'm different, judging by the stink that's made where I'm living. The air of stink is getting pretty thick, and while my swamp is warm, the smell makes me sick. My nose is on fire, how about yours? I got tiny bugs living inside all my pores.
Hey now, you're an ogre. You're so nasty, you're green. Hey now, you're an ogre. You're disgusting, gross, man. All that glitters is green. Only stinky boys get their swamp bag. Hey now, you're an ogre. You're so nasty, you're green. Hey now, you're an ogre. You're disgusting, gross, man. All that glitters is green. Only stinky
Boys get their swamp back.
Right.
This is the part where you run away.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
It's corn. It's a nasty little food. It gets so big, and people really eat the whole thing. It's corn. I hate the way that it tastes. I get so gross. When do people make that at my place?
If that's what you want us to do next, let us know in a comment suggestion below. Subscribe to my channel. Click to watch more videos. My other channel. And stay tuned for more.